2, 1. This is a sonnet. Now, a lot of times the sonnets are serious poems. Okay. But sometimes they can be a little bit silly. Raise your hand if you've ever heard of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare, I see a lot of hands. Put your hands down. William Shakespeare is famous for putting sonnets into his stories. A sonnet, Taylor, is a 14-line poem. But these 14 lines are broken up in 4 different ways. There's 3 stanzas. Now, when I think of stanzas, I like to think of a paragraph. It's when you have more than one line put together, separated by a space. There's 3 stanzas, and each of the stanza has 4 lines. But, Jalen Shelby, what's the rhyme scheme of each of my stanzas?
A, B, A,
So the first stanza is A, B, A, B, then there's a space. The second stanza is A, B, in a space. Princess, what's my third stanza?
A, B, A, B.
And then a
Space.
space. And then after my 3 stanzas, I have one more stanza. But Quantrell, how many lines does my last stanza have? 2, and what's the rhyme scheme? A. So each of the stanzas have 4 lines, and the rhyme scheme alternates. And then finally, our last stanza only has 2 lines, but both of those words rhyme. Booming.
Is sonnet from Japan too?
I think sonnets are more European. I don't think they're not Japanese like haikus, but I can do research and I can let you know. Or maybe you could do the research. You could research it tonight and tell us, where does a sonnet come from? What country did a sonnet originate? Listen carefully. The sonnet form is old and full of dust, and yet I want to learn to write one well. Notice that dust and well do not rhyme, so we know that must be A, B. To learn new forms and grow... To learn new forms and grow is quite a must, but I will learn it quickly, I can tell. So we have dust, well, must, tell. Dust and must, well and tell. A, B, A, B. And I sit today with pen in hand, composing 3 new quatrains with a rhyme. The rhythm flows like wind at my command. The A-B form consumes my time. But I'm not done until there's 14 lines, 1 ending couplet after 3 quatrains. Quatrains are stanzas with 4 lines. I've tried to write this new form several times. The effort's huge. I have to rack my brain. Lines, quatrains, times brain. But I persist, my 14 lines now done. I wrote my poem, my sonnet work is won. Excellent job. Let's read through one more. I know that we like to read them in unison, but because it's small, I think that's difficult. So if you can see it, please read along. Follow my voice. If you can't see it, I want you to listen for the rhymes.